Do you love chai and love visiting a nearby Pakistani or Indian dhaba or cafe? Or a lot of my students are going to India and Pakistan by the end of this year, so I'll teach you a lot of different types of chai today. So the first one and the most common one is kadak chai. Kadak chai is like a strong chai. Kadak means stiff and strong. It has a robust taste and the cooking time is a bit longer. The next chai is doodh patti chai. Doodh is milk and patti is tea leaves. Doodh patti chai. It is brewed in milk, which is why it's called doodh patti. It has a very rich texture. It's a bit more thick, so it's called doodh patti chai. The next one is matka chai. Matka chai. It is served in clay pots. It's kind of like a spiced chai with cardamom and milk. Because of the clay pot, matka, it has a very earthy flavor, very smoky kind of flavor, which I love. I love chai. Aapko chai pasand hai? It is a kind of a masala chai. Masala basically means spices. So masala chai has a lot of like cardamom, long, elaichi, adrak, which is ginger. This is an Indian chai. Then you have pink tea, which is a Kashmiri tea. Pink tea or gulabi chai. So this is a pink tea which is made of green tea leaves and salt and milk. In Pakistan, it is a staple in weddings, and I love drinking Kashmiri chai in weddings, in a wedding ceremony. The next one is sabz chai. Sabz mean green. Sabz chai or qahwa. It is just green tea with water. Sometimes you add sugar and lemon as well. So qahwa is something people drink after the meal. So sabz chai or qahwa. आपको कौन सी चाय पसंद है मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में. खुदा हाफिज़.